Alright, Leaf Metal Hobby Football box number 12 coming at you guys. That is on the right. You want a fresh case? The first case, I'm gonna go grab it. Crushers time 2, DeChambeau. Little Bryce and Cherry Blossom, be sweet. Alright, first up, Raheem Sanders red. Our spot, what up, Black Jerk? It's 18/25. Jay Jettas silver. The J spot calling. So 149. First auto, Nick Harbor. It was State Pride Ice. So the N spots calling. 06/10. Callan Lacey. It's the draft bound green lava. C spots calling. Cleaning up. So 5/5. Next in line, green KC Concepcion. He was a beast at NC State. Pretty sure he transferred to Colorado too. I think he's gonna have a really good year there. That might be a hold on to that one. K spot GB. 3 of 8. So Jackson Taylor. That's a sharp looking card. It's for the J spots. That was on card. Colin. That's 5/5. And Deuce a Knight. Virginia Tech, maybe. So the D spot, Chris. Chris got the deuce. 16/20. Nick Harbor is. Was he Gamecock? Good box. Good start to the case. Chose the Cox over Ann Arbor. Where's he got stuck already? Right, deuce. Chris. Got the Jackson. KC is GB. Callan Lacey, Colin. Nick Harbor, Colin. Jay Jettas, Colin. Raheem Sanders, Colin. Nice. Good start to the case. Another box is live. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.